In a hurry? On the go? What do you do when you're pressed for time and your Mercedes-Benz needs maintenance? Don't sacrifice quality for convenience. Mobile Mechanic delivers Mercedes-Benz dealership service right to your door. Within a few clicks, you can choose an appointment and location that's convenient for you. Select from a list of Mercedes-Benz services specific to your car, all with upfront pricing. You'll immediately receive an itemized statement that includes parts and labor. No hidden fees or upcharges. Wonder who'll be under your hood? Find out more about your mechanic through our customer reviews. You'll feel like you know your service technician before you even meet. From the moment your mechanic arrives on site, relax. Know your car is in the trusted hands of a professional. Personally observe the commitment, precision, and expertise that only a certified Mercedes-Benz technician can provide. When service is complete, your signature of approval prompts the charge to your card. Discover you need more than maintenance? Mobile Mechanic will arrange an appointment at your local Mercedes-Benz dealer. Mobile Mechanic offers you the luxury of ease, accessibility, and the quality you've come to expect from Mercedes-Benz at your home, office, or wherever is convenient for you. Book your appointment today for Mobile Mechanic. Mercedes-Benz world-class service delivered.